what we have in this box just for fun. Cut this open. Hope you guys are all having a good day. Wherever you live, whatever you're doing, hope you have some time to relax with us. Okay, so we have a big long box here. Lots of bubble wrap. It's always fun to squeeze these, isn't it? Maybe we can do a ninja silent walking test and try to walk on these without making the bubble wrap go off, like grasshopper and kung fu. It's always satisfying. We could just sit here for 3 hours and do this. So here we have the bubble wrap. Let's take that out. Alright, let's look at the first things here. What's this? White box. Defender Extreme. Not the best wrapping here. What is this? Defender Extreme. Oh, okay. Here we have a grappling hook. So those of you who like the Dark Knight or martial arts or ninja, we have a grappling hook here. Isn't that cool? So these stack and go on here, I think. It's got a spring on it. Those would stack and go on like this. That would go there. And then tie the rope. I don't know how long that is. It's probably 20 feet or more. Throw it up over the branch and climb the tree or get over the castle wall. Climb around Gotham City, whatever you like to do. That's pretty cool. I like a grappling hook. I used to use these as a kid, and we would actually use them to pull ourselves up. They do work if you get down on a tree. There are better grappling hooks out there, but that's pretty cool to throw up and catch on something. That's kind of fun, isn't it? So we have a grappling hook. What's this? The bone edge. The bone edge. Knife. Let's look at this thing. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Look at that. That's a beautiful little knife. Got a wood handle. It's got a clip here. Nice blade, nice design. Don't know if I can focus in here. It's got a stag on it there. Blade's nice and sharp. Beautiful. I like that. That's really cool. Look at this depression button here, so you can take the knife down. Very nice. I like this. It's pretty tight right now, so we'd have to really practice it to get it going, but there it is. Nice little knife. I hope everyone carries a pocket knife. You should if you're over a certain age. And I don't just mean for self-defense, I mean for anything. Damascus handmade knife in wrapping. Why don't we use the knife to open the knife? I don't know why I find unboxing satisfying. I think it's the consumerism that's in all of us. You think that buying things are going to make you happy when we know that they don't. But when you first open them, they're quite satisfying. You get that little dopamine rush. I can tell what this is already. That is a sheath. Looks like it's made of leather. So what do you think this might be, everybody? Guessing by the shape. A lot of wasteful packaging, huh? Look at that. You can smell the oil already. It's just covered with oil. keep it from rusting. This looks like a Damascus steel. Look at that thing. That little bear claw stabber there. Talk about a boshiken. Isn't that cool? Can you imagine getting that in the ribs? Holding this here and punching someone with it. Beautiful. I don't know if you can see. It's hard to focus, sorry about that. It's got a grain here of metal and steel. And it's got the sheath that goes in. So you can carry this on your heel, ankle, leg, in your sleeve. And then deploy it as you need to. Look at that. This is probably more for stabbing, but you could definitely slash with it as well. What a cool little thing here. There you go. Alright, what's next? This is fun. Throwing knife, Defender Extreme, all stainless steel with nylon sheath. So we have some throwing knives. Look at that. Throwing knives, you get what you pay for. These aren't very expensive. They have much, much heavier ones. But that's pretty cool. It's got a black blade. This one says made in Pakistan. Defender Extreme. I'm going to throw this at the wall next to me. So you ready for me to miss? I guarantee it's going to miss, but even just to get hit. I'm going to try this flip throw here. You'll be able to hear what happens. You ready for some noise? Yeah, it missed. But hey, you got to throw it 1,000,000 times to get it 500,000. Here's another one. Look at that. This one is a little different. This one has a hole in it with a camo handle. That's cool as well. Look at that. Now you can use these as a regular knife. They're not really heavy or hefty. And again, if you throw this and you hit with the sharp end or the dull end, it's really gonna ruin your afternoon. Cool. Definitely can stab through things. Defender Extreme throwing knife. Here's another. Let's see if this is the same. Yep, that's just another one of the camo ones. So we got 3 of those, which is good, so you don't have to walk to the target 1,000,000 times. Always buy a bunch of shuriken and knives so you don't have to go back and forth all day. Hardened baton with sheath. Look at that. I love batons. Ooh, this one's in pink. That's cool. Pink baton. So if you want to go jogging or whatever, you carry this with you. It's a bit heavy. It's pretty good quality. It's got a good grip on it. And it deploys out. So this is a collapsible baton that you can use to defend yourself, hit someone's kneecaps if they haven't paid their rent, whatever you want to do. It's pretty cool. And then you hit a surface to collapse it back down. Nice little case here. Grab it out, deploy, do what you need to do, and put it back. That's nice. I like that. That's a nice gift for somebody, perhaps a girlfriend or wife that wants to go jogging or keep this in their car. I assume these are legal. You have to check with your state laws. Oh, this is fun. What is this thing? Oh, this isn't from Japan, is it? It's like something out of the movie 300. Wow, that's fancy and colorful. So we have this kind of dagger here in this yellow pillow. Look at that thing. Pretty fancy. Quite decorative. It's got a little guy here. I don't know if this is Roman. You guys can tell me if you're an expert on these weapons. I am not. I don't know if this is Greek or Roman or what. And inside is a long knife. Look at the work on that. Can you guys see that? don't know if this is on autofocus. It probably is not. Look at that thing. Imagine that coming out from under the pillow at night. It's pretty sharp. Actually, this isn't very sharp, sorry. Tip is sharp, but that's not sharp at all. So this is more of a prop or a toy knife. I would not take that in seriousness and self-defense, but only because I can just tell by the quality of it. It's fancy looking at a distance, but getting up close, it's plastic, and you know, it's cool to hang on your wall. Or if you do cosplay or LARPing or whatever for your D&D campaign, you might want to use that. But pretty cool, I like it. Nice for display, hanging on the wall, might look pretty cool. Alright, so we have that little dagger dirk type thing. Black box, plain. What's inside of this? Alright, Rambo fans. Those of you who like John Rambo, we have this. This is a big knife. Look at that thing. Now that's a knife. Wow. Hefty. Kind of a Bowie knife. Bowie or Bowie. I don't know what that is. Look at that thing. That's got heft to it. You got your edge for cutting wood, ice, whatever it might be. And then you have this steel knife. It's very, very strong. Quite sharp. Camo handle. Want this around your wrist so it doesn't come off. You can if you're hiking or something, climbing. And it's got a nice sheath to it. Heavy plastic. There you go. That's kind of a Rambo type knife. That's pretty awesome. Excellent. Look at that. Good. Good for camping or hiking, hunting, whatever. Fishing. And Defender Extreme. This is the last thing to unbox for fun. Appreciate you guys spending time here. I guess this is more fun than watching Twitch, huh? Oh, look at this thing. Gosh, if I only had these when I was a kid. This looks like some sort of double sword out of G.I. Joe or something. You have a sword. Ooh. Nice. So you have a nice sword here. And you have a second sword on the other side. Tip cap covers. Look at these. Defender Extreme. Nice. Imagine doing these in a kata. Pretty cool, huh? That's really fun. Pretty sharp, too. Oh, yeah. You wouldn't want that coming down on your wrist. Defender Extreme swords. Nice. Cheap grip. Just a wrapped handle. I don't know how far the tang goes, but it's quite nicely balanced. Just started pouring out. Can you guys hear the heavy rain outside? That's cool. So you have a double sheath that you could keep on your back. I like it. So there you go, you guys. We have some knives, some swords, throwing knives, baton, and this cool double sheath here for your back. Kind of a novelty item. What do you guys think? Pretty cool, huh? I think it's pretty cool. Why don't we do this? Guess what? Let's give this away. One of you guys want to win this? Why not? June is coming. Let's make this early June giveaway. You are going to win everything in this box. The double swords, the throwing knives, the ninja grappling hook, the baton, the Bowie knife, the bear claw knife, the dagger, sword, the rope, and everything in between. And this thing too, this beautiful pocket knife or hunting knife. One of you is going to win all of that. What do you guys think? Free of charge, all you have to do is type in, "I want that stuff." STUFF, stuff is the word that we are going to pick the random name from. So this is one of our biggest giveaways yet, free to you guys for being loyal, awesome subscribers of the Dojo Martial Arts. We will mail this box to you if you win. "I want that stuff" is the giveaway. Type that in and then be patient, and in a couple weeks we'll do a random drawing to see who wins. Don't cheat. On the last one we had someone try to cheat and say that they were another person so that we would mail them a sword, and they lied about it. And don't ruin it for everybody. Don't be a jerk. Congratulate the winners, and if you don't win, lose with grace and dignity. That's what martial arts is about. So we're going to give this away. Who wants to win all of this stuff? One of you out there we're going to choose. It's a really cool gift. If you've already won, you might want to be a bit generous and not apply. Also, make sure that these are legal in your state or country. We cannot ship to a country where knives and swords and things are illegal. So make sure it's okay to get this shipment in. So I'm sorry, but some of you will not be able to join this particular giveaway only because some of these are not toys, okay? So you have to use your judgment. If you are under the age of 18, you will need parental permission in order to win and have this shipped to you. Otherwise, we'll just pick another winner. There you guys go. A whole box of stuff for one of you out there. "I want that stuff" is the key phrase for this month. This is Mr. Norcross on behalf of the Dojo. Thank you guys for watching. I sincerely hope that you win. Have a great day.